All right, today we are going to install these higher whiting kits. Higher whiting. Wire hiding kits. Pretty simple. We just go use this tool, drill a hole, and pop these in and screw them down. And you can run your wires inside your wall for your TV instead of on the outside. So here's a mount that I did. Did not do a video of it, but so the wire comes down here, will not reach. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the first hole here. Well, so what you want to do, you need to get it between the studs. So I know with an outlet, there's going to be a stud on either side, on one side or the other. Not there, so the stud's there. So I got 16 inches to play with in between studs. So I'm going to put one here next to the outlet, and I'm going to put the other one just right above it, just right here, just so you can't see it when you close the TV. So let me get myself situated, and I will come back. My little thing got stripped here. I'm using an impact. Normally I would use a drill. That's why you hear all the noise. But thinking one done now. I do a little bit more, and then it'll just. I don't go too far because just in case there's wires in there, I don't want the saw to cut into anything, but you can see this is gone. The rest of it is inside there. That's just paper. So I got a hole there, I got my hole there, and I'm going to pop these inserts in. Okay, I got a little bit lucky because I did not know there was brick back there, but there was enough room to feed the extension cord down out the bottom, and so I put I'll put the cord through first because I have to then attach this to the extension cord. So what I'll do is, because it's the extension cord, I will normally make a knot and then plug it into here so it doesn't ever slip out. And then I will attach the top piece of the kit, and then I'll do the next insert down here, and then this just plugs into the outlet, and you can't see any wires. So I'm going to come back and show you the finished product and see what you think. I can't do this holding it, but essentially you just tighten the screws on each side, and then this thing will be tight.